You feel that you can share something, you can serve your our community members, our community, no? Yung mga kababayan ka, maaaring ito mga akit ka sa tuyang pag-iriban sa community. Kahit dati man magkakit, talagang nagmamakulong na kita, kaya lang pauso na yung urban life, no? Minsan marami nakita na ipagkabalahan dahil yung mga aktibidades sa community na napabayaan na mag-imilig ang mga kamiyembro na lang sa community. Now we are trying to revive that kasi the only way to maintain our neighborliness, our own traditions and values, in order to maintain the community, ay kita na sa mga nag-register sa community. So that's why we are trying to capitalize on that para patuloy natin mabantayan sa community. Tulad, siguro na yung isa may national laboratory na sa mga Manila, na mismo sa laut ng mga subdivision. Pero dahil wala sa mga pakialam doon sa, dahil wala na national laboratory na doon sa Katarangin ka, no? Pero kung kita sa meron kitang awareness, meron kitang pagpapulog doon sa community, may mga bagong buka, medyo nakaka-reparo kita. So yan ang gusto sabihin ba? And why else do we need to tap the services of volunteers? Una-una, we like to humanize the service. Hindi na lang isa-isig sa pangiligian sa mga kliyente. Kundi, gusto nyo ibigyan yung patlok, no? Yung mukha. At kayo muna sa community, kayo talaga ang mukha na. No? You are the people. To humanize our service, they have to see the people. Kasi, for example, ilan na sila po? Kalbay na. Sa tago lang si Mark lang. Paano naman masirbalan ng kliyente sa piraman sa laut sa piraman sa sarang piraman sa saranggulan laut niya. Ang pirang kliyente kay Juan, yung man sa Ligas para rin yan sa bus na sa bus ng opisina. Hindi ka tara. Kung muna ang halimbawa dyan. So we can educate the community about pag-rehabilitate ka mga tao ng kasala, ang mga nadapa, bako lang sa bako na yung dating punitive justice, but restorative justice. Kung ano nasira ng relationship, ibalik ilaray, imbis na yung para pwede mong i-attender yung divorce sa isang client. Especially kung kaya sa community, kung mo pwedeng lapitan nila. Kung medyo kailangan nila ng moral support, ng medyo pag-irundong, paalala, kayo pwede magbigay niyan. Right there and then, immediately, ura-ura na. Isa pa, we also like finally to diversify our services. Siyempre, kita may kanya-kanyang profesyon, may kanya-kanyang expertise, may kanya-kanyang experience. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Regional most outstanding BPA in Region 5.
May I request our director to give the award to be assisted by Alice Sarmiento and BPA Regional Coordinator. Basahan ko po, John, please kami. Kung di ko napasala, nag-meet na kami ni John kasi I was also a professor of University of UNED, Riga. Basahan ko po, may I read to you the contents of the award. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Justice, Parole and Probation Administration, DOJ Agencies Building, Mayor Road, Corner East Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. Lack of recognition is awarded to VP Amado A. Oliva Jr., Iriga City Parole and Probation Office as the most outstanding volunteer probation aide Region 5, who has made an invaluable contribution to the PPA DOJ VPA program by unselfishly sharing his assistance and untiring service to the clients of PPA DOJ in support of their reformation and development as integral persons. Given this 24th day of July 2009 at Bulwagang Romeo F. Edu, Whole Land Transportation Office Compound, East Avenue, Quezon City, Philippines. Signed, Regional Director Alan B. Alcalam and Ismael J. Redora, PPA Administrator. Administrator. Message?
Okay, first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the regional director, and of course, the chief of the Corporation and Parole Administration in Iriga, and of course, syempre to God. I've been working with the Probation and Parole Administration since time immemorial in 2000, as mentioned by Ma'am Ami. It was really a nice experience working with the people from the Probation and Parole, and at the same time working with the probationers, paroles, and pardones from the different segments of the society. In like manner, it's really challenging on my part because my work in the alternative learning system in DepEd is really coterminous, or kumbaga it's parallel with the work as a probation and parole administration. So I guess this is really not only worthy to note, but it's really worthy to mention that being a part of this big family under the Department of Justice is really something to be remembered. So I guess in my little way, in my own rights as a teacher, as a community worker, I guess this is one way of, at least I will be an instrument in making difference to the lives of the people, especially the law offenders in Iriga City. Thank you very much.